Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. Guarantors are the people or legal entities who agree to be responsible for the tenant's debts should they default on the terms of the lease. Whether you need a guarantor will ultimately depend on the type of tenant leasing the commercial or retail space. If a tenant is leasing the premises in their own name, personal guarantees are less likely to be required. By contrast, where a company is a tenant, landlords will generally insist on a personal guarantee by its directors or shareholders. This is due to the limited liability of the company. There are both pros and cons associated with this kind of arrangement. Personal guarantees are potentially more time-consuming and costly to enforce. Therefore, negotiating a larger security deposit instead of a personal guarantee may be a more attractive option to landlords. Should things go sour, security deposits are much easier for a landlord to access. However, they also carry the risk of being insufficient to cover all of the landlord's losses, given their limited amount. In the global scheme of things, landlords are generally best served by obtaining a guarantee as well as a security deposit. By having both options in play, the landlord will have ample scope to recover any losses that may occur in the event of a breach or early termination. If you find yourself in the process of negotiating a commercial or retail lease, being familiar with this issue can help you to strike a better deal. If you'd like to learn more about guarantors, please read our article, which is linked in the blurb below.